Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. After a short break where I was able to put up 31 videos in 31 days, and then I did another 5 or 6 days, so I did about 38 days in total, where I had a video every day, or 38 out of 39 anyway. Sorry, no it wasn't, it's 37 out of 38 days where I did videos. I did them all, and they were already around about the 10th of December, so I've had a short break. It's now New Year's Eve as I record this, and this will be the first, in fact it will be the second in the post, because I have one in the first week of January. And because it's an in the post, I got 3 Christmas stamps there, and then I got this on a package that came in for me that was a little bit heavier, and I think it came from a coin, like a coin reseller. So he also, I think, realised that I enjoy stamps, so he sent me a whole load of Princess Diana, Edward and Sophie stamps, and a couple of others as well. So stamps now got rid of for this video. So what did I get in? Well, I think many of you will probably realise that I really struggled with my arthritis over Christmas, trying to get things out of the get them out of the where you got them for the advent calendars. So I bought, let's just bring that down a little bit more so you can see it a bit closer. I bought a set of tweezers, plastic tweezers, and when I bought the bag I didn't think too much of it. I saw there was about 10 or 12 in the set, which is one bag, but that one bag wasn't one bag when I ordered it. It turns out that it was 3 bags. So I have 3 bags of plastic tweezers. I dare say I'll break a fair few over the next year or so. So they will go into my stock, and these will go into my oops, let me just open that up. My pencil case. I've got a separate thing in the centre between, on the one side of it, I don't know if I've shown you this before, but on the one side I have the pens. The other zip-up pocket, I use it for my loops and such like. And there's an area in the centre which is just open, and in there I have some strips from post-it notes where I can write in the video number and put it into the plastic bag, into the bag. And I also have some spare what do they call it, rubber bands. And now I have my pack of tweezers, and this is now getting over full, so I'll probably need to get a second one actually. Oh yes, and of course the all important antibacterial hand gel. So what else did I get? Well, just before Christmas, and this came in before, just after the 10th, between the 10th and 15th, I ordered myself a set of the Christmas first aid cover. I had to buy it on the secondary market because I missed the actual date of release, which was the 2nd of I think it was the 2nd of November originally that they came out, and I forgot completely about it until the beginning of December. So I have a couple of 3 first aid covers that I'm going to be doing some work on, and that will be one of the ones where I will be doing a review and probably doing all 3 of them together. I think one of them's for Iron Maiden, another one was Charles's first stamps, you know, the ones with the first, second and third class, first, second, large and all the rest of it on there. So that's the first bit of stuff that I got prior to Christmas. And then I got these. Put that back in the bag. And this rather lovely 3D card. Let me just move that up a bit. There you go, 3D card. It's got the snowman, the postbox and a Christmas tree on. And it says to Steve, best wishes for Merry Christmas and best wishes for 2024. Love from Jackie and Mr. T. Jackie, of course, is 10 Bob, for those of you who don't know. She sent me those, and she also knows that I've been getting together a collection, a date run of rubles and the lower mintage ones from Russia, and she sent me a whole load of the low value coins which will go towards my date run. So Jackie, thank you very much for the for the Christmas card. I hope you got mine in return, and I believe you have, from what we've been chatting about together when we've been commenting on each other's videos. Those coins, I will be doing a video on them, and thank you for adding to my date run of the Russian coins. The last thing in this particular one, I've split the stuff that I got in between Christmas and New Year, or from the last video for the In the Post, into 2 because there was just too much to do it all at once. And yay! 11 weeks and 10 days. 11 weeks and a few hours. I finally got them. They're the King Charles III definitives. They said it was a 6 to 8 week period. I ended up waiting for over 11. What really annoys me is that the Royal Mint really needs to look at getting what is called a FIFO system. That's first in, first out. Now they have order numbers, they have dates of order. Why they can't use this into their delivery system and say, right, we have 50 packs to deliver, who are the first 50 people, or the first 50 ordered, and send them out in that way. It makes it a lot fairer. I actually ordered at 9:15 on the day of release, and it took 11 weeks. I know of people who are out there, some of them are YouTubers like myself, who ordered a lot later than that and received theirs within a couple of weeks. The system, whatever it is that Royal Mint are using, is not fair, and it is not working. You're losing customers because you do not use a simple FIFO system. I would have got mine within 2 or 3 weeks if I'd used the FIFO system, instead of which I waited 11 weeks. And this is the state that they came in. Look at that. They're not properly glued in, just look at that. This is awful, but I'm not sending them back because I can't. No, I'm not going to wait another 11 weeks for them to get their arse in gear and get me a new one out. So there it is. There's the definitive set. Now, I didn't just buy the one, I actually bought two. Oh, there's another stamp for another stamp, Christmas stamp. I'll go in the stamp collection. I bought a second one, and the reason why I bought two was that I was going to have one that I was going to keep in this booklet, and then the other one was going to be taken out and broken up and put into my date run. Again, look at that, it's coming apart. It's not correctly seated in all the positions. You have to keep on fiddling around. This is disgraceful for the amount of time that they took in getting these out. They can't even glue them down properly. More haste and less speed. You're meant to start getting your act together, because you're making yourselves look extremely poor. I will be doing a separate video on the definitives, these two definitive sets, early in the new year, a little while after this video's gone out, but not good. You do need to start getting your quality control better, and you need to get your ordering system so the first people who order are the first people who actually get them out, and it can be done. It's called FIFO, as I've said before. Not that Royal Mint are going to take any notice of me anyway, but there you go, it can't be helped. That ends this first in the post video. As I say, over the Christmas period I have done a second video. I will be doing a second video of stuff that I got towards the end of the Christmas period. This will be the second and third in the post of January, so I'll see you again very shortly. I am in the process now of looking at what sort of what targets I'm going to set myself to try and achieve by the end of the year, subscriber wise. I've had a very good Christmas. I got an extra 20 odd subscribers. My target was 250 last year, and on December the 31st, as this is, I got 271 users. I'm extremely happy with that, but going forward I really want to expand again this year and keep on expanding the channel over the years to come. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and until we meet up again, from me, thank you for staying to the end, and I hope we meet up again very shortly. From me, bye bye. Ta-da now.